To begin a new stock take, navigate to the Stock module. This will display the Stock Takes page showing all current inventory counts. Click New to create a new Stock Take instance. Then, select Create and Start Counting to immediately begin recording inventory. You will now see a list of items available for counting. Scroll through the table to locate specific items and view their details. The Count Sheet option allows you to print or manage your physical count lists. To record counts, enter the physical quantity for each item directly. If a count needs correction, simply update the value in the Quantity field. Make sure all your item counts are precise for accurate inventory management. The system automatically saves your entered counts to prevent data loss. You can monitor your overall progress and ensure all items are covered. Once all items are counted, click Back to review the Stock Take summary.